accept or reject. Mr. Speaker, for that purpose, Mr. Speaker, I am of the view that we can still prosecute all the proposed amendments. Mr. Speaker, I want to go to the second issue, if you may listen, if you may give me attention.
Yes.
If members could give me attention.
All the honorable members, you will listen to the minority leader in silence.
Mr. Speaker, Standing Order 131, and I want to read it for the avoidance of doubt. And as I do so, Mr. Speaker, this notion that we are in a hurry should also be dispensed with, because I don't think we are in a hurry. We have all the time to deal with the issues.
Yes.
Yes, Mr. Speaker.
No.
Mr. Speaker, Standing Order 131. Standing Order 131. Provides that where a bill has been read a second time and before commencement of the committee of the whole, as we are about to do, Mr. Speaker, amendments have been proposed to it, which in the opinion of the Speaker require harmonization. The Speaker may direct any member proposing an amendment to the bill to appear before the relevant departmental committee dealing with the subject matter of the bill to present his or her proposed amendments, and the committee shall submit a report to the House on the result of the exercise before the committee of the whole House is taken. Mr. Speaker, you will notice from the Standing Order 131 that the amendments that have been proposed go to the core of the bill, and some have got far-reaching ramifications. I just want to plead with you, because we haven't been told if at all a window was provided to the Committee on Finance, chaired ably by Honorable Kimani Kuria, to undertake this harmonization process. In fact, in parliamentary parlance, it is referred to as winnowing. That would then make the work of the whole House easier, Mr. Speaker.